Okay, say it for me. Say, what the heck, Christy? Come on. You just said it. Okay, I'll turn it off. Beep, beep. Okay, it's not on anymore. Say, what the heck, Christy? How about this? Can you say Ian? Ian. Joseph. Okay, it's not on anymore. It's all gone. Here. Beep, beep. See? It's not on. Say, what the heck, Christy? Come on.
What the heck, Christy?
Say it again. Say, what the heck?
What the heck, Christy?
Can you say?
What the heck, Christy?
Say Ian. Joseph.
Joseph.
Simpson. Can you say David?
David.
Joseph. Simpson.
Simpson.
Say, what the heck, Christy?
No.
Got it. I got it anyhow. Aw.